3, 2, 1.
You're watching
TKO Takeover.
We are here to help you with your everyday needs.
In this video, I'll show you how to play Fortnite on a school Chromebook in 2024. There are two websites you can use to do this. First, open a browser and visit Xbox Cloud Gaming at xbox.com/usus/play. Log in to your Xbox account using the button in the top right corner. If Fortnite isn't immediately visible, use the search bar to find it. Once located, click on Fortnite and press the green play button to begin. You may encounter a queue depending on server demand, which can be busier on weekends but relatively quick on weekdays. The second option is NVIDIA GeForce Now. Search for GeForce Now on Google and select the link for play.geforceno.com. Log in or create an account if you don't have one already. Note that free accounts might face capacity limits, requiring a priority or ultimate membership to proceed. Once logged in, search for Fortnite and you can launch the game directly through the platform. These two services make it possible to play Fortnite seamlessly on a school Chromebook.